Our objective is to find all factor pairs for a whole number in the range 1 to 100. Whoa, before we read the rest, I think we need to figure out, how do we find factor pairs? Review. What's a factor? Factors are the numbers being multiplied in a multiplication sentence. For example, 3 and 2 would be factors of 6 because 3 and 2 are being multiplied to get 6. What are pairs? Pairs are two things that go together, if you put it simply. All right, you could have a pair of aces, you could have a pair of socks, you could have a pair of dice. So how do we find factor pairs? Well, let's start off with an example. All right, let's find factor pairs of the number 12. Okay, so first I'm gonna need 12 of something. So let's say I got 12 gentlemen. Hey gentlemen, I'm trying to find pairs of factors that make 12. So if I group these in a line, get on the line, boys. Great, I have one line of these 12 boys. I have one line of 12, one group of 12. Or you could, if the lines were going this way, you'd have 12 lines. 1, 2, 3, going this way, 4, 5, 6. You'd have 12 lines and there's one boy in each line. And so either way, whether you have one group of 12 or 12 groups of 1, we know that 1 and 12 go together to make 12. All right, well, to multiply to get 12. So these are a factor pair. This is a pair. This pair goes together. 1 and 12. We tried having one group or one line, so now let's move it to 2. Let's try 2 groups or 2 lines. When we have 2 groups or 2 lines, we see that there's 6 in each line. So you got 6 in this group, 6 in this group. So we know that 2 and 6 also go together. You could also flip it around and say you have 6 groups of 2s. This is 1 group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Either way, we know that 2 and 6 go together, whether you have 2 groups of 6 or 6 groups of 2. So we have 2 factor pairs so far, 1 and 12 and 2 and 6. And we tried 1, we've tried 2, let's try 3. If we put them in 3 lines, 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, each of those lines are going to have 4. So we know that 3 and 4 are going to go together. We've tried 1 line, we've tried 2, we've tried 3, let's try 4. So if I put 4 lines, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, 4 groups, and there's 3 in each one. 3, 3, 3, and 3. So we got 4 and 3. But wait a minute, hold up. 3 and 4, 4 and 3. Now, are they 2 different factor pairs? Or is this the same factor pair? Well, let's think of it like this. You're wearing a pair of socks. Yay. But your socks stink. Oh no. What do you gotta do? You gotta change your socks. And so you say, hey, wait a minute, I got an idea. I can just switch the socks. Put my left sock on my right foot and my right sock on my left foot. Boop. But your socks still stink. Oh no. Why do they still stink, you ask? Because you never changed your socks. It's the same pair of socks. You just switched them around. Same thing here. These are the same factor pairs. These are the same pair of factors. All we did was switch them around. So no, we don't need 4 and 3. It's the same pair of factors. So we must be all done because we know if we move to 4, we're going to just get back to these numbers again. We're going to do 6 and 2. And it's the same numbers. So what did we discover? 12 has 3 pairs of factors. There's a total of 6 factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors, but 3 factor pairs.